Watch till the end of this video to learn how to make your own quiz using Google Forms. Hello, I'm Elena and welcome to my e-class in Bytes. On this channel, I make videos about education, technology, and content creation. In this video, I will show you how to create a quiz using Google Forms. First, we need to sign in to our Google account. Then, we go to the Google Apps and click Drive. Once you are on your Google Drive, click New, then click Google Forms, choose Blank Form. Type a title of your form. For example, Sample Quiz. You can copy this title and make it also the file name of your Google form. Add an instruction for your quiz. Click Untitled Question. You can choose various question types for your quiz. Let's create a multiple choice question. Type now your question, then type in the options for your answers. To set the answer key, click the Settings or gear icon. Click the Quizzes tab, then turn on Make this a quiz. You can now adjust other settings for your quiz. You can opt to release the score later after manual review. You can hide the correct answers for security. In the Presentation tab, you can disable the quiz to submit another response from the student. You can also disable autosave if they close or refresh the browser. In the General tab, you can collect the emails of respondents and limit them to one response. Then once done, click Save. Go back to your question. Enable required so the question won't be missed. You now have the option to set the answer key and point for the question. Click the plus button to add a new question. Try a different format like drop-down. Repeat what you did in the previous question. Preview your quiz. You can insert a question by dragging the button to where you want to place it. Since the question inserted is for name collection, there is no need to assign an answer key and a point. You can also add an essay type of question using paragraph. Leave the answer key blank for manual checking and assign a point. You will see the total number of points for your quiz. You will see the responses on this tab, or you can create a spreadsheet to view all the responses. You also have the option to manually disable accepting responses if you set a deadline for your quiz. Your quiz is now created. You can copy and send the shortened URL link to your students. I hope this video was helpful to you. If yes, please like, share, and comment if you make a quiz using Google Forms. Don't forget to subscribe and watch my other videos here. See you there.